Angry words and honking cars, satellites and falling stars, distant dark blue radios that whisper down my boulevards. Ghosts and chains rattle in the attic, broken headphones filled with static. Lonely room, you've got nowhere to run.